My name is Mukesh Jain, Chief Technology and Innovation Officer at Capgemini India for Insights and Data. About 25 years of experience, predominantly in building large-scale platforms powered by either analytics or AI. That has been my experience. At Capgemini for last 1.5 years, I am focused on the technology strategy. What should be the next technology? How do we get ourselves ready for those? What kind of innovation we'll be doing? Driving the innovation agenda for the group, and also focusing on a platform product which I built, which is called 890. This is essentially around analytics, bringing analytics and AI and on a fast track for any organization. In addition to this, I also run innovation program, which I called Millennial Garage, wherein people come in with their ideas, and in a fun environment, they'll do continuous innovation. We have crossed 110 innovations so far after this garage for in last 1 year. So that has been my experience and the main responsibility. I am also active in academia, wherein as part of Capgemini, I am a representative and sponsor for connecting with academia, both in terms of research, doing projects, and also bringing the right kind of tools and techniques in the syllabus for the academia. So those are some of my experience and some of the role I'm doing right now. I was thinking of talking about data-driven innovation. This will be including a combination of what kind of innovation has been done in the past, but now with the data, easy availability of data and the high compute we have available, and also the storage cost is negligible now. How can we even do better in terms of data-driven innovation so that we can get the more value of the data? Plus, most important part, continuous innovation, that kind of culture and mindset can be driven throughout the organization, especially starting from the grassroots level. And that is how the output would be. That is how the innovation will continue as we go forward. This would include leveraging the data, using some of the artificial intelligence element, taking the data from IoT and the power of cloud. So all this combination of those with a flavor of data analytics, data science, which will how we'll get innovation. That is something which I will cover in the keynote session. Yeah, so the good point of being in, especially from the geo side of it, right? So when I was at geo, one of the target I have set was processing 1.2 million transaction per second. People thought I was crazy. Now we see the results, and of course the 1 lakh crore rupees which have come in as an investment for geo is amazing, right? I wish I was there. I wish I was continuing there. Anyway, coming to the data part of it, like if for even small innovation, sometimes people think we need big data. And by the way, a lot of people don't even know the actual meaning of big. People think big means bigger size. It's a terminology which is being used. And my experience has been even as simple as 10,000 records is a good start to look at the data part of it. And yes, in my experience working at Microsoft or at Geo, at Microsoft, I was handling 4.1 petabyte of data in 2007. 13 years back, I was handling that data, right? So yes, it is when you have the large amount of data, the real software engineering comes into picture. None of this big data tool technology will work unless you have a good architecture part. And I was fortunate working at Microsoft for 13 years, be able to do those. And same architecture I have built at Reliance Jio on open source. So it's not the same technology always. It's the architecture, the way we handle data, the way we process it is important. And yes, some of the out of the shelf tools broke at Reliance Jio would not be able to support it. So I have to design it from the scratch. At Capgemini, I do the same thing. When I'm talking to the architects and chief architects, I'm giving them the guidance. Guys, when you are looking at it, think about it. Think about how 300 million users concurrently will be able to use it. I was giving an example of Microsoft. Now, same thing happening at Geo. 300, 400 million users, how they are able to use it, and how can we make them the best experience when they get it. And experience not just in terms of anytime, anywhere, any device should be working, which was always the mantra for Microsoft. But even Jio have made it clear, bringing the vision of Dhirubhai Ambani ji for how do you give power to everybody's mobile in everybody's hand. I think those are some of the things which can be done powerfully. And also, one of the elements which people don't think about yet is competing on analytics. Now, organizations have took this as a challenge that yes, we need to be competing with people both in terms of product, but if you have good analytics in place, you can compete in the service also. Why? Because users have choice. No longer I'm going to wait for Uber to come in for more than 7.2 seconds. The app, when it loads, if it's showing me this, I'll move on for 7.2 seconds and go to Ola because I have choice. If Uber and Ola is not able to understand that you are not giving good service, we will move. And that's what historically happened. We have seen how Fortune 500 company, Fortune 100 company have moved. 50% of them are no longer in that list because of that reason. So that's where I think the power of data is there. Starting from as small as 10,000 records and going to petabytes of data, it's possible. But yes, innovation can come in small pieces as well. It's all, first of all God grace, definitely. But one of the attitude I always had was पूछने में क्या जाता है. Okay, in English it translates into there is no harm in asking. I think that has kept me motivated. I think throughout my childhood and in my professional career of 25 years, I was always that curiosity attitude was there. Along with the पूछने में क्या जाता है, a combination helped me try new things. I failed in several of them, but that attitude kept me do the first ever AI algorithm for Microsoft in the year 1999, even though I didn't get support from my management. Okay, so that part के कर सकते हैं. ज़्यादा से क्या होगा, fail होंगे, right? At the max you will fail. What else can go wrong? And that actually helped me keep me on my toes. And even like when I launched Millennial Garage, a lot of people were skeptical because it will work, it will not work. I said, guys, let's try. पूछने में क्या आता है? And it worked. And I think that actually that curiosity mindset we normally have when we are 1.5 to 3 years young in our childhood. But over a period of time, we kill it ourselves, or our parents kill it, or our teachers kill it. If not, your managers will kill it. So that thing got killed. So I'm usually the troublemaker for my manager. Can I ye bhi karte, wo bhi karte, let's do this, let's do that, and able to do this. Yes, I got some good support, some good managers, some good mentors in my life, and that's what something I'm giving back. I'm trying to become a good manager, good mentor, and that's where I'm spreading. So that's a little bit more about on my personal side of it.